Hey, welcome back, guys. So, what you see here, it's been about 3 trading days after the first when the entry was taken. It's been slow 3 days, but in fact the trade was profitable. Come, so let's take a look again at summary. Quickly go through it. Look for stochastic on the 4 hour on overbought or oversold. So in this case, overbought. Then wait for your entry during the optimal trading time. So when's the optimal trading time? So go down. So that should be, remember the video. Usually for this is a pound USD. You're talking about London session or New York session. Usually I like to trade the New York session the best. London session, if you trade long enough, you always see it kind of like to double reverse. Means you reverse one time and then you will reverse again a second time. It's just a character of the London session, right? So let's go down to the 5 minute is where we'll take the trade. So let's go down 5 minutes and take a look. I'll zoom in. So let's give me some time. Let's go to the right date. So okay, here we are. So in fact, I took the trade. This just a demo trade. Right? I took it in the London session, and this is the New York session. So I have a box here for the London session, a box for the New York session. So let's take a look. What will trigger the trade? So you know you're looking for a sell because the stock is overbought. So you're looking for a sell. So what you want to see in either of these session that this is a 5 minute stochastic in a tape form turns red, and you want to see the RSI. So this is again a RSI setting that I use to look at I would say impulsive move. So you want to fade the impulsive move, meaning you want to take the reverse of the impulsive move. So look for the stock to be red, and then look for the RSI coming down from above 90 or very close to 90, right? You don't want to see it coming down from somewhere here, right? So even though you see, if you see it's red but coming down from a low value, I don't have an example here. Here again, you see coming down from a high value, and in fact, if it was in this was in the London session, you could have taken it as well, because stops would have been above there, right? So over here, you have taken the trade, which is where I took. Oh, if you were to do the New York session, you would have actually taken it over here, right over here. So this is 17 pips, and stops for pound USD usually want to take a 25 pips stop, and for euro about 20 20 pips, right? Pound usually have a bit higher range. So was this a successful trade if you had taken it? Well, it would have been. You have taken at least 50 to, let's see, right, easily. You have taken it over here 15 to 70 pips, right? Maybe you got out somewhere here if you put your stop, if you unlucky, or you stop over here, right? When it started ranging. So either way, it would have been a successful trade. So that's how you time your trade. If you're a busy person and you have a lot of you have other things to do, and you're just starting trading, so this is one of the easy way that you can look up for setups. So what you'll do again, you'll go to the 1 hour chart with a 4 hour stochastic. So again, you'll just start. Let's see whether anything else is coming up, right? Nope, nope. Oh, so this one actually there was a trade on the Europe session. So let's just see something that we've missed, right? So if you were to do this earlier today, you have seen this. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Okay, so this happened in fact in the Asian session, which I usually don't trade. So I don't recommend that you go in and try this. But there was, again, you see, when the stock go up, you can just look and wait. Let's see whether there's anything else that if something that logically you would have traded, right? Australia USD. Okay. Australia pair, you would be able to trade in the Asian session, which is also what I've taught you, right? So let's go. If you were to trade the Australia pair, This is where you have been. You wait for it to be red here, and you see the RSI coming from way up there. So you have taken your trade actually here, and you have gotten 50 pips as well. So another good trade. So this is how you will actually look for trades, right? So you don't have to spend a lot of time waiting at the charts and seeing whether there's anything and how you want to make the decision, whether it's good or not good. It's not guaranteed a win, but it's what it gives a very high probability of getting a trade. So you see nothing here. In fact, yesterday in looks like the Asia session, there was something for USD CAD. You will not taken that at all, right? Not for the USD CAD. Okay, and the New Zealand, you have gotten a nope, not here. You have gotten a trade here. What else do we have? Nope, nothing. Over here you may have waited and gotten a trade, right? So this is the Euro odd. Again, you can see something in the Asian session or the London session as well. So let's just see whether there's anything that occurred here during this time, right? So go down to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, just nice at the London session. Okay, as I say, wait for the London session for something good to appear. So let's see, you wanted to do a buy. You wanted things to turn green, and for here you want to see the RSI coming from the top. So actually, you wanted to see, okay, here it was, right? So actually, this one didn't give you a setup. In fact, there was no setup in the New York session that you could have taken. How about the London session? So in the London session, you are not known all this that's happening, right? So London let me clear this up a little bit. London session. So you're not seen all this and not known that price would have gone down. So you would have waited for buy here, right? And you want price to have come up from the bottom. So you may have seen, nope, not yet. Here you go, right? This one, you have seen the RSI come up and you have seen this turn blue. So you have actually taken a buy here. And with a 20 pip stop, as I've stated for Euro, right? So this is just nice, 18, right? So 20 pip stops, you would have been all right. And where would you have gone, right? 30, maybe more. So, yep, 30 pips. Not too bad. 1.5 R. So again, that's one way that you can get your trade. So as you see, not too hard. Just wait for trigger during either the, depending on the pair, Asian session, Europe session, or London session. Right? Don't wait all day, and if nothing comes up, then well, just move on. Right? You usually get a few different pairs to try. So I hope you found this easy, simple way. Of course, you will have losses, but with the proper stops, and you'll not lose money. You still gain some money. Okay, thank you guys. If you do enjoy this, continue on. I will have more videos on how to do day trading, just a few hours a day, and with the proper risk management and trade management, you will make some money. And as you go on, you'll start having a bigger account, and you can be successful. Watch out for more videos. Thank you for watching.